What is going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? We are transforming this little corner of the shop here to be a little filming area, so bear with me, it's a little bare. We've got our Megabass and G-Crack banners up right now, but we got a lot more coming in, so stay tuned for that. The purpose of this video is we are uploading a couple limited items for 2026. As you know, or maybe don't know, we love putting together Megabass mystery boxes for y'all. So you can go on the website right now or use the link down in the description to check them out. This right here are the limited holiday boxes for 2026. Now, the main difference between this box here and a normal Megabass mystery box is the normal Megabass mystery box is tailored to your body of water as well as lakes and conditions around you. These ones right here, these 2026 boxes are really made for just overall Megabass use. There's limited colors, not limited to USA and JDM specific colors, specific release colors, but these also have a humongous variety of subsections of fishing lures. So we got top water, we got wire baits, we've got plastic, we've got swim baits, we've got crankbaits, jerk baits, everything like that. So over $450 worth of baits in here, as well as a few accessories and little gifts we like to throw into these. So make sure to check it out. Use the link in the description. There are only 3 of these, so make sure to check them out as soon as possible. If you're interested, go get them while supplies last. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video here at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.